Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of my Ipsy June box. If you want to see what things that I got in my box, then just stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I have my thing in front of me here. Remind me of which ones were my picks. So I'll pop that up on the screen as I go through those ones. But this month's box was Make Bold Moves. So this is what they're showing this month in the box. And let's go through it. So the first thing I have here was something they picked for me. Is from Lovecraft Beauty. Not a brand I've heard of before, but it says Planetary Precision Brow Duo. So that's what this looks like. So let's see. It says it's in Neutron Noir. That's the shade. So let's see what this actually looks like. Here. So it has a pen here. So that's the strokes on that. That look like a color that may just work just fine. And it looks like they have a slim size pencil on this side. So let's see what that, yeah. These definitely should work just fine. So that's great, because I finished up my pencil and I've been working on my gel in my project planning. So this is good to have as a backup, especially for traveling. So we'll be getting good use out of that. And the next item in here is the, what is this called? Pink Lips Everlasting Liquid Blush. It's another company I have not heard of before. So let's see here. It says it's a blush shade. Let's see what that looks like. It has a big doe foot applicator. Let's see what that looks like. So it's a deep pink, mauve, berries type shade. Something that I could definitely get some good use out of in the fall time and even here in the summertime. So that's, looks like it'll be a great shade. What you guys think? I think it is a good shade. The other thing I have is a pick. So those other two items were the items they picked for me. And the next three items are items that I picked. So I picked this Huda Beauty Eye Blur Easy Blur Primer. It says silicone-free smoothing primer. This looks similar to the primer that I just finished up from Milani, but that one was silicone based. So I'm curious as to how this one will do. It has a seal on it, so that's good. I'm gonna keep it sealed up for now until I get ready to use it. The other thing I have in here is from the Maison Louis Marie number 4 Bois de Balancourt. This is a perfume. It is a 10 ml perfume. I have to look at, because I got one last time and I don't know if it was, I don't remember what the scent was on this one. I don't know if it's the similar. Oh, this one smells good. Just smelling off of here. Let's see. Let's spray it real quick. I like that scent. Smells good. Okay. I like that. Does it have the notes on here? I don't see any notes on here. Let me come back to that one. Let me see if I can find some notes on that one. The next one is the item that I picked was this Microbiome Technology Balance and Hydrate Cores Greek Yoga Probiotic Skin Supplement Serum. What's this? They got a little thing on here. Let me get that sticker off. Okay, and that's what this looks like. It's one of those situations here. So, what does it say about it? Apply morning and evening immediately after cleansing prior to moisturizing, avoiding the eye area. It is just saying that it's supposed to be a balancing and hydrating probiotic skin supplement serum. So I would give Kors. It's a good skincare brand. I've tried several things from them over the years and enjoyed everything I've tried from them. So I'm looking forward to trying this. So glad to have that. Like I said, that was one of my picked items. And then that was everything that was in my actual box itself. So my 5 items was the skin serum, the blur primer, the brows duo, the liquid blush, and the good smelling perfume. So happy with all those items. When I first saw what they picked out for me, I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like that, but look at that. The matches. You see how well it matches my skin pretty well, so I should get some good usage out of those. And I will let you guys know how it wears. And then my beauty boost that they gave me this month was from the Tarte. It's an eyeshadow palette called Glamazon. It's their Amazonian Clay eyeshadow palette. Now this I could have done without, but the packaging is beautiful. Look how pretty is that. Very sleek, very reflective on the back. So, and I'm not gonna open that all the way because it's the this one is broken. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that one is broken, but that is the rest of the palette. So I don't want to stick it out. Let me see if I can push it back down. Try to push it in there as best I can, but I still don't want to hold it up all the way. One of my first eyeshadow palettes that was higher end was from Tarte, and I really did enjoy that palette. So I'm sure I will get good use out of that, but that's, like I said, that's what it looks like. I had to push the other thing back in, but there you go. So that is the beauty boost that I have for this month. So what are my overall thoughts on the palette itself? Well, not the palette because, you know, I haven't tried the palette, but the rest of the items I am super happy with, and I'll keep you posted on this. Like I said before, one of my first palettes was from Tarte, and I really did enjoy it. No, I believe it was called the Bloom palette. It had the different rows in it with the different shades of neutral, like a neutral, warm. But anyways, it was very good, very good palette. So I'm happy to have this one because I haven't tried any Tarte palettes in a long time. But that is my June Ipsy box. So let me know what you guys, do you have a box, and if you do, what items did you get in your box? Did you get similar items, or did you get some different items? Other than that, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you like content like this, please consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.